he's in the deep water. This rock was pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait, Ryan, do you want to look in here?
Don't hurt yourself. Ouch! Crab just pinched me. Ouch! They're attacking me. They have an army. Here's 3 right here.
No, it.
Is that just weight? I think it's just weight.
Something bit it.
Yeah, something did bite it. I don't know. I saw that thump though. I didn't get it on camera, but I saw the thump. Oh, yeah, something stole your bait.
What?
Something stole Moo's bait.
This one's just ahead and it's pretty small.
That was just hell.
Nate, don't take my spot.
They're not messing around.
I'm gonna stand right here.
Yeah.
While I'm going.
That might just be the current.
I'm gonna go sit down because I don't like how
Yeah. Those hermit crabs will get after you. They have a whole army of them out here. I have a full army. I'm not happy with them.
Wait, Ryan. I saw a fishy. There's a fishy. Oh, look at him. He's huge. Wait, you missed my toes. My toes, yes. Pack it down.
Okay, guys, now come over here. Put that up for
We
a
did
second.
this with sticks.
Ryan.
You look like a butterfly about to come out of his cocoon.
Are you ready to pull out an arm?
Come out of your shell.
Go, Nate, go!
Come on.
There we go.
You can do this. I'm gonna take my hat back.
Sea turtles, get out of there.
Come on, this is what sea turtles go through. Yeah.
I don't think I can go further.
You can do it, Nate.
Just stay right there and we can just okay, so here's the
All right. Come on. This is what baby turtles have to go through. Come on. This is what baby turtles get through. Come on. You can do this. It's like a marathon. Ouch. Ow.